Hi, this is Chanakya. Today I'm going to talk to you about my garden. I made this video because of Corona. There's been a lockdown and I had a lot of spare time on my hands. Let me show you what I've got. I'll start with my tomato plants. This one I planted around 2.5 months ago, and now finally it's going to give me 5 new tomatoes. I have a few more smaller tomatoes. These I planted last week. These 4 I planted this week. Next, let's move on to my pumpkin creepers. This large one I planted around 1 month ago. This second smaller one, that one I planted just 1 week before I planted this one. This one have failed to grow for some reason. Maybe it's because I added some more fertilizer and buried it deeper. Has grown really fast, and now I can even see flowers. You see? Next, let me show you my corn. I wasn't really sure whether this one would work or not, but it's grown. This one is also 1 month old. Flower has come out the top. And look down here. It's a corn kernel. In around 1 week, it will be fully ripened and I'll harvest it. See what else we have. Here, these are 2 creepers. One is Patakolu. The other one is, I think it's bean. Next, let me show you my chili. This one actually I've been struggling with. I planted them 1 month ago and still only half a foot long. Next, let's go to the okra or bandaka. Yeah, these are also 1 month and also been struggling. But now that the dry season is almost over, they're starting to grow bigger. This was actually an accident, if you want to call it that. I threw some used mukunuvanna here, and all of a sudden it started growing like this grass does. Well, this doesn't need that much maintenance, only a little bit of removing the weeds, and it will just grow. And every week I get harvest from this. Here, some ginger. Planted these 2 months ago, and now I can see there are some yams coming. I also have a lot of decoration here. Special type of grass. I like this type. Some orchids. I also have a lot of experimental projects going on. Like here, I managed to plant a grape plant. I think it will take a few months to grow, but I'm pretty sure that it will work. Next, let me show you passion fruit plant. This one, it was actually a wild plant. I took it and planted it here so that it will grow and give me passion fruits. Next, let me show you my pineapple plants. These I planted on purpose. They came with the pineapple. At the top, I cut them off and planted. This one is 2 weeks older than this one. Next, let me show you some spinach, Spanish spinach. These are actually when you remove the leaves, you get the stalk. I just planted a few. They seem to be growing quite nicely. Next, let me show you some Vambatu. This one was actually one of my most failed projects because it took 4 months to grow this high. I didn't plan any of these or plant any of these because the corona was here. I just did it as a hobby. And at the center of it all, my compost bin. So dry hay. I added a few bacteria I found in cow manure, and they seem to be decomposing it pretty fast. So that's it. And also, if you're searching for seeds, no need to. You have seeds with you. If you have like tomato, there are seeds inside. You can easily cut it open and take. Oh, I seem to have forgotten one. These are lettuce leaves. I got a seed packet from my auntie and I planted all of them. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.